Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Reddy and from Karuna University CS department. My registration number is 015CS238. This is my database systems lab third experiment, which is nothing but aggregate and built-in functions. So the aim of this experiment is to work with and get familiar with aggregate and built-in functions. So what exactly are these aggregate functions is? Aggregate functions are used to perform a calculation on a set of values and return a single value. Except for count, aggregate function ignore null values. So only for count, aggregate function takes account of null values. Aggregate functions are frequently used with the group by clause of the select statement. So the questions are as follows. I've already made this experiment in the Oracle database and there's a spool file of it, but I'm going to explain you in the PDF. It's certain comfortable with certain required screenshots. So these tables have already been created in the previous second experiment. There is, we have created 4 tables for deposit, for customer, for borrow, and for branch. And now we are inserting different values when compared to second experiment. So I've already explained in the previous experiment how to use the insert one function to insert certain values into a table. So insert into the table name and the values. Since the value columns are given in order, we can give the values in the order itself. But in case if you want to skip this name, that is Sandeep, if you want to skip this Sandeep, and after customer ID you want to directly give to value of the branch is Andheri, then there's a different syntax. We'll discuss further about it. Then so this is syntax used to insert the values. That's 106 Sandeep and Andheri, and always remember that whatever is in varchar and in the format of date should be included in the single quotation. So the number can be given directly, but the varchar, data type varchar, and date should be always included in single quotations. So in the same manner, I've given the certain input values for branch table, customer table, and also borrow table. Now we need to list the total loan amount taken by the borrowers. So first select, there's a function sum which is used to calculate the sum of all the input values present in the column amount. So select sum of amount from the table name, that is borrow. So all the amount, total amount will be displayed. Find the total deposit done by depositors. So the same syntax, only thing is the table name is changed. Instead of borrow, we have considered a table deposit. Now we need to list the total loan taken from Andheri branch. So the same thing, syntax till year to the borrow, but the only clause which is included is where branch name is equal to Andheri. So all the loan taken from Andheri branch alone will be displayed. Now write a query to find the total deposit of customer having account date later than 1st January 96. So all the we need to display the total sum of amount taken by the customers of account created later than 1st January 96. So select sum from the table deposit, syntax same till over here, then add a clause where account date greater than single quotations 1st January 96. So it will display. Now find the total deposit of customers living in city Nagpur. So starting by select sum of amount, column name amount from table deposit, where this is I've used aliasing. In a sense, I need not give the full name like deposit, branch name, nothing like that. So we can give a short form d.com branch b where b.city is equal to Nagpur. So all the total amount of the person belonging to the branch Nagpur will be displayed. Now list the maximum deposit of customers living in Bombay. So the same thing syntax. The only difference is instead of Nagpur, just change it to Bombay. Now find the total number of branch cities. So in the same, now in this thing, select count. So now count is used to count something. So now you want to count the total number of branch cities. But you need to keep in mind that branches can be repeated. Two people can belong from the same branch. So it will mention Bombay and Bombay for both the people. But now we don't want the branches to be repeated. We just want distinct branch names. So when you are giving this keyword distinct, so that only the branch names which are different will come. So the total branch names are 4, but these 4 can be repeated numerous number of times. Now find the total number of customer cities. So select distinct city from customers. So only the table name is changed. Previously it was from branch, now it's from customer table. Now write a query to display the branch name and branch wise deposit. So select branch name, this B name, amount from deposit, order by name. Just to give the name in order, alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, F. So as you can see, it's A followed by C, K, M, N, P, V, V. So now we need to give the branch wise deposit of the customer after account date 1st Jan 96. So select count, CNAME, customer name from customer. Yeah. Now we need to find the total count of depositors branch wise. So select count, CNAME, branch name from deposit, group by branch name. So it is grouped by branch name. This I'm used to use for a sorting out thing. So write a query to find the maximum loan of a branch from VRCE. So select max. So instead, before we used to use the function keyword sum. It's used to find sum. Now it's used to display the maximum max amount from borrow where branch name is VRCE. Now list the branches having sum of deposit more than 4,000. So select branch name from the table deposit, group by name having sum more than 4,000. So calculate the rent of the string dbms from dual table. So select length, the string dbms from dual that will be displayed. So display the names of the customer in uppercase. So select upper CNAME from customer. So all the names of the customer with uppercase will be displayed. Now display the substring nil from the name Sunil from deposit table. So select substring CNAME 33 with issue from the third alphabetical order as name from deposit where CNAME is equal to customer name is equal to Sunil. So it will display. Now prefix account number column with two zeros in the deposit table. So all account numbers with the prefix having 00 from the starting should be displayed. So select account pad, add account number 50 from deposit. So all the things which are the prefix of 00 will be displayed. Then sort the deposit table on the base of account number. So just simple select star, all the loans will be selected from deposit table order by action. So it will be sorted as per the account number like 101, 102, 104, 105, 106 in the order. So use add months function to add 3 months from the current system date. So select add months, system date is, so we need to add function to 3 months. So system date, the number of months should be added 3 from dual. Use round and trunc functions to round off and truncate the value 15.6789 from dual table. So round off in the sense is if it's 15 point more than 15.5, it's 15.6, it round off to 16. Truncate means it decreases and rounds off to the lesser value, this is 15. So select round from dual, select trunc from dual. So if you give the value, it will round off. Simple. So yeah, that's for the experiment. Thanks for watching.